Here's your last example before the homework. So what we're going to do, label as always. Our A value, we don't see anything there. That's 1, which means our amplitude is 1. Our B is 1/2, which means our period is 2 pi over 1/2, which is 4 pi. I know we've had that on a couple problems. It just happens to be the ones I picked. Your H is your horizontal shift, and this is 3 pi. It's positive 3 pi. It's the opposite of what you see in the parentheses. And our K is our vertical shift, and that's -5. So writing out the just regular old cosine x. Once again, if you have this, you don't need to write it down. I just have it so we can look at it all in one. 1, 0, -1, 0, 1. So we're going to go ahead, build our new table. So looking at what we have, our x value is affected by our h and our period. Our first point is h, so that's 3 pi. And our fifth point is h plus period, which is 7 pi. Cut that in half, 5 pi's in the middle, 4 pi, and then 6 pi. And there they are. You can see that they're all equally spaced. Just a reminder, they have to be equally spaced apart in order for this to follow, because these are equally spaced apart in the original. Okay, so we have the B and the H taken care of. Now we just have to deal with the A and the K. Now, A is 1, so that means we're not going to be multiplying. We won't have that vertical stretch on our graph, but we will have a vertical shift of -5. So that means I'm going to take my parent graph 1 and subtract 5. 0 minus 5, -1 minus 5, and then 0 minus 5 is -5, and then 1 minus 5 is -4. So there are our 5 points. Should say there are our 5 points. Once again, not an English teacher. Okay, so this one, we're going from 3 pi to 7 pi. Let's see, I should probably scale all the way over on the right, because that is a pretty large horizontal shift. All right, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. 4 pi, 5, 6 pi. Okay, there's everything we need. And this graph is going to be all in the negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the negatives. Okay, now we can go ahead and graph. I'll do pink. I'm just trying to change the colors so they stand out. So at 3 pi, we're at -4. 4 pi, we're at -5. Oops, I should have gone all the way down to -6. That's my mistake. That's okay. Easy fix. And oops. There is our graph. And then it would go back down at that curve. So you can see that is shifted over, it's stretched out, and it's lowered. So those are the 3 transformations on it, and that's it.